Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious egg rolls. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground pork or chicken, 2 cups of shredded cabbage, and 1 cup of finely diced carrots. Don't forget 1 package of egg roll wrappers, typically around 25 count. We'll also need some soy sauce, sesame oil, and a touch of ginger to really bring out those amazing flavors. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's create that irresistible filling. Start by browning your ground pork or chicken in a large skillet over medium heat, breaking it up as it cooks. Once the meat is fully cooked, drain any excess fat. Then, add your shredded cabbage and carrots, cooking them until they are tender crisp, about 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger, and a dash of sesame oil for an authentic taste. Let this mixture cool slightly before wrapping. With your filling ready, it's time to master the art of wrapping. Lay an egg roll wrapper with a corner pointing towards you. Place about 1 tablespoon of filling just below the center. Fold the bottom corner over the filling, then fold in the side corners. Roll it up tightly towards the top corner, sealing the edge with a little water. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the egg rolls for 3 to 5 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Congratulations, you've made delicious homemade egg rolls. Serve them immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, like a classic sweet and sour or a spicy chili sauce. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro or thinly sliced green onions adds a lovely finish. These are perfect for appetizers or a light meal. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't worry if your first few aren't flawless. Keep experimenting with fillings and enjoy the process. Also, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.